Well, I started suffering from back pain at 19 years old, and I just thought it was something that I had to live with. I continued to do that up until 38 and realized that I was about to lose my job. I couldn't work anymore. I'd lost feeling in my left leg, and thinking of surgery was it just seemed radical to do it at my age, but there was no longer an option. And the referral I'd gotten to Dr. McCord and the visit, and knowing the progress that what he's done with this surgery made me say yeah to do it. And I started out with chiropractic, and I did that for a while, and it wasn't getting any better at all. I did some acupuncture, and that was a very temporary. I mean, as far as maybe an hour after the procedure, I would feel better, until I went back into a sitting position, and then I was unable to get back up. And so those didn't work. And so surgery, I thought seeing a surgeon was, what needed to happen. And I was very pleased with his diagnosis and finally getting some answers that it wasn't in my head, that I needed surgery. Yes, I did. I had the upper MRI, which was great because I knew sitting I was in pain, but I knew that at least they would be able to see what I was feeling. If I weren't able to express it properly, laying down was not going to, that was the only time I had relief. So sitting was a good way, I thought, to actually see what was going on in my body. I tried everything before. I tried a chiropractor who had told me that I had the back of a 70-year-old and that there was nothing that could be done. I might get maybe 5% improvement over years of treatment, and that just wasn't a good enough answer for me. So I heard about Dr. McCord and came and gave him a shot, and it was the best thing I ever did. I would tell them to come see David McCord. I mean, give him a chance. Let him look at you and make a diagnosis, because it was the best thing that ever happened to me. I couldn't imagine at 38 years old not being able to work, basically not having a life anymore. I mean, if you've been told that nothing can be done about your back, just give Dr. McCord a chance. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised.